Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Abhisikta, and today we shall be continuing our discussion on the topic of FCI AGM examination, right? So I think it's already high time, and as promised I will be releasing the questions that were asked in the manager level examination 2020, which is last year, and the PDF of those summarized questions I have attached in the description box. Do download it and go through those topics, because I think since that came in the last year, it may come again, or similar kind of questions may come again. But the disclaimer is, do not just believe on me, like do not just think that those exam questions are only important. There may be some fluctuations or something. Maybe the question in the technical part in the paper 2 becomes really easy, because in the manager level examination, the technical part, which was the paper 2 part of only technical cadre, was really hard. It was really hard. Okay, other cadres were quite easy or maybe moderate, but this was very difficult, I must say. So if they think to ease that in case of technical, so we can't say all those. But anyways, I have just keep in mind that these were the questions which were more or less were actually asked in the manager level, right? So you need to stay focused on it. And the best thing which I can recommend you right now is paper 1. Okay, see, paper 1 exam will have less marks, like it is 60 marks only for the technical part, those who are going to give the exam in the technical and other cadres. For the general administration, whole 120 marks is of that paper 1 only. For the general वालों को तो paper 1 पे ही focus करना है, but for the technical ones or for the other cadres, I'm telling is paper 1 might consist of less mark. You may think that paper 1 is not that important, but guys, trust me, that is really important. Okay, while we come to the end of the video, I shall be discussing on it again, why paper 1 is quite important. The strategy should be score as much as possible in paper 2, but you will have to score well in paper 1 if you want a rank, because you can see the number of posts, and there are very less as compared to the competition I am seeing, as compared to the number of people sitting back at their home and practicing. Not only from the freshers batch, there are very previous and batches which are waiting. There are departmental candidates like us who will be appearing the exam, so you have a real tough competition. Okay, so you cannot neglect paper 1, right? Now ज़्यादा लेट नहीं करते हैं, let's not wait more. Let's just start the main important part of the session, which is discussion on the questions which may or which I think are quite relevant for you. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, this is the syllabus for manager examination, and this is the syllabus you get for AGM level examination. The same reasoning, quant, general awareness, current affairs, management ethics. The extra part is the agriculture and agriculture economy. Rest syllabus is around 98-99% similar. So let's take a look at the questions. See, the quant section was quite normal. Good questions were there. You can score if you have practiced well. Graphs were there. Data analysis part was there, and the arithmetic part was quite easy. You don't need to worry much. It's not like the moderate level bank examination, or you can say that was moderate level. Okay, it will not go to the difficult level for sure, right? General questions on speed, distance, boat time and all, that will be enough. Then coming to the reasoning part, there were small puzzles, not the bigger ones. Okay, small puzzles. Then distance, direction, blood relation. Someone was asking about the mirror questions. Yes, you can expect those also. You can say these were the prelims standard, a bit more than that, right? English was not there as far as I remember, I think. Otherwise, if it this time also it's not there. Coming to current affairs, be very thorough with the recent current affairs of June and July month, right? They were fact-based, mostly about India and the important things which they expect you to know, okay? Not much numerical was asked. You can say quite easy to moderate level of current affairs were there. Okay, management, many people are confused with this. I will tell you that normal questions you can expect in this too, like what should be the qualities of a manager, or these are analytical questions. I think you can answer this only by judging the options. Okay, this was a new concept for us too, but then we managed to perform. Okay, computer awareness, yes, the people who have some course in computer, that will be very easy for them. Normal hardware and software basics were asked. Okay, nothing to worry much. Coming to paper 2, this was the most critical part, I can tell you. You can see the questions I have included in here. So most of the questions were on the entomology part. Okay, biotechnology, yes, economic microbiology, useful microbes, those were there. And I remember a question on growth rate of bacteria. Okay, chemistry, yes, you will have to know the 3 important chapters: atomic structure, coordinate chemistry, periodic table, and a little bit of organic chemistry basics. Those were asked. Then yes, do not forget to read the gist or summary of these acts: NFSA Act, PFA Act, FSSI Act. These are very important acts. Okay, do not forget to see that. See, the safe score many were asking. Keep in mind that you will have to score more than 50%.
81 for the other categories.
And for general category, which is 90 marks.
Just the borderline candidates, okay, like
the other category.
Many people were selected just in crossing 120, 121 marks. I mean, just in 50% only many were selected because the paper was very difficult.
So see, you should at least aim for scoring about 80, around 75 to 80 in paper 1, and as much as you can score in paper 2, like around, if you can make about 20 questions also correct, since there is no negative marking. Okay, 20 questions at least, then it will account to 40, which total will at least give you a good safe score. Okay, so this is the minimum.
So guys, as we have already seen the type of questions which you can expect in the examination, now I think we can talk about, someone was asking about the lifestyle of AGM and posting also with the varies, right? For the posting, I would say they may ask you, depending on the situation, they may ask you for your preferences. But then, as I have already said, it's category 1 is a pan-India job. I mean, you will be posted all throughout the India, anywhere, either in Lakshadweep or in Andaman Nicobar or in Jammu Kashmir or in your preferred place. But then, in the first posting, they will never give you your hometown. Okay, rest other anywhere in India you will have to go. You will sign a declaration, I guess, where you will have to state that you will be serving the corporation wherever you are posted. Okay, and lastly, coming to the lifestyle of AGM, see, you can imagine yourself sitting in a chamber, okay, in a quite large chamber, with an incumbency chart behind you stating the number of AGMs who were posted and transferred, and your name in the chart, you can find it over there. Okay, so that is what you can say, your Rutva. Okay, that too you can imagine just after graduation. Okay, with just one examination and an interview with no negative marking, you will be getting all of this, right? And the salary, for the salary video, you can refer to my previous video. I have already uploaded it. The link is in the description box, you can watch that, right? And so is the lifestyle. Okay, it's not a field job, you will never be posted in the fields, just that you will have to go to the godowns or the depots where you will be attached, not exactly attached, which will come under your jurisdiction. Okay, while you will be the head of district office also, those godowns only you will have to go and inspect. Okay, monthly, not much, quite less number, somewhere 10% or something. There will be a circular, and according to that you will have to go and just inspect those godowns. Okay, that's it. That's the major field job I am talking about. The rest job will be done in the office. So that is the lifestyle you can imagine, and be very well prepared for the exam. It's really high time, so not much time left, just 10-11 days more. So best of of luck to all of you, and I shall be coming with a motivational video just 2 to 3 days before the examination. So stay tuned to the channel and